Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Chess Armory Wooden Chessboard. Chess Armory Wooden Chess Set delivers all the chess essentials in one place: a folding chessboard, polished chess pieces, and a sturdy storage box. The compact 15-inch by 15-inch chessboard is made of smooth inlaid walnut, where every square measures 1.625 inch by 1.625 inch. It folds in half, so you can store the chess pieces inside when needed. Every stomp and chess piece is made of light but sturdy with that has a good solid feel. They all come with a felted bottom to protect the chessboard from scratches. The king piece stands 3-inch tall. Store all the chess pieces in the felted interior of the chessboard and secure them into place with the elastic straps. You can then move the chessboard in the elegant storage box to keep it in mint condition. The handy and elegant wooden chess set will surely win over everyone. Number 2 in this best chess set for beginners list is Chess Geeks Foldable Silicone Board. This modern, tournament-style chess set includes a silicone board, weighted pieces, a strategy guide, and compact storage. The 20-inch by 20-inch double-sided silicone board rolls up and folds up for easy travel. It's spill-proof, stain-resistant, and easy to clean, making it a great choice for adults, kids, and outdoor use. Our large, easy-to-handle stomping pieces feature felted, quadruple weighted bases that won't blow over in the wind, features 4-inch kings and 2.2-inch pawns as well as extra queens. Pack it up and take it anywhere. The silicone board rolls and folds for easy storage. The included velvet drawstring bags keep pieces organized, and our sleek, compact box fits in your backpack. Suitable for beginners and advanced players. The board is marked with algebraic notation for easy learning. Comes with a 32-page illustrated strategy guide to take your skills to the next level. For details, let's watch more. Our third pick is Harry Potter Wizard Chess Set. Choose a game set with a little more whimsy for kids to keep their attention through long rounds of chess. This set is similar to traditional style sets, so they'll learn the rules and have no trouble switching to a more traditional game board as they get older. The design is a miniature recreation of the wizard chess set seen in Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Officially authorized by Warner Brothers and manufactured by the Noble Collection. Set includes chess pieces and playing board. Chess pieces measure 2 to 4 inches. Playing board is 18.5 by 18.5 inches. Bring the wizarding world home to your family room with the officially licensed Harry Potter Wizard Chess Set. Go head-to-head in the ultimate duel with this highly detailed miniature recreation of the wizard chess set as seen in Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Includes 32 chess pieces, playing board, and 2 drawstring pouches. Fourth pick in our best chess set for beginners list is Winning Moves Games Chessboard. With this revolutionary chess teacher, you'll be playing the world's greatest game in no time at all. Unlike any other chess teacher, No Stress Chess teaches you how to play using illustrated cards and an illustrated 2-sided game board. Includes 2-sided chessboard, 17 charcoal pieces, 17 ivory pieces, 56 action cards, black plastic card tray, and instructions. For 2 players. Finally, learn chess without stress. An innovative deck of action cards with moves determined by random draws. Player with white pieces begins the game by drawing a card. Move the piece indicated by the card any way you want, as long as it's within that piece's abilities. Last in this list is Star Wars Chess Game. This is the classic set if all you need is a chessboard and pieces. Star Wars Chess Game has chess pieces that look like Star Wars characters. Black pieces are Imperial characters like Darth Vader and Boba Fett. Silver pieces are Rebel characters like R2-D2 and Han Solo. Includes game board, 32 Star Wars chess pieces, 32 bases, and instructions. This sleek gray and white game is about as sophisticated as it gets, earning it our top spot. The Star Wars game board and pieces are handcrafted in India by artisans, resulting in a smooth finish with a slight sheen to catch your eye. The standard chessboard also serves as a checkerboard, and it comes with all of the necessary pieces. The pieces and the board are made of cardboard and plastic, respectively. Many learners, particularly those with children, are willing to pay this price because it makes learning easier.